Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to scale an image in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. First select Edit option. Now select an Edit object and select Image. Now click on this image and select. Click right button and select here open Properties and select here Property dialog box General option. Here you will find this image horizontal scale, this is vertical scale. I'll decrease this vertical scale. I'll make it 80 and horizontal scale I'll make it 120 and select close and see this. Again go properties option and horizontal I'll make it 80 and close and see this. In this way you can change your image scale. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.